my dear friends, today we are going to make easy Kaju Paneer Masala. I have taken 2 chopped tomato, 70 gram cashews, 2 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic chopped each and 2 chopped green chilies. To a pan add 1 tablespoon butter. When it starts melting add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, few peppercorns, a cinnamon stick and few cloves. After a minute add our chopped ginger, garlic and chili. Saute them for a minute. Now add our chopped onion. After sauteing them well, add tomatoes. Add a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and a teaspoon of cumin powder. Saute them well. Add 200 grams of paneer. Coat the paneer with masala. Add 1/4 cup of water. Cook them on low flame for 5 minutes. When it's cooked, add our cashews and mix them well. Add 5 tablespoons fresh cream or coconut milk. Combine them well. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Add a tablespoon of ghee. Mix them well and cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. Our Kaju Paneer Masala is ready. Hope you all enjoyed the recipe. If so, please don't forget to give thumbs up.